So I wanted to do this video about a week ago, but got caught up with another project, maybe this one, but got it all sandblasted. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is my bus. All looks pretty good. Some little holes there. Yeah, and we got back to where the damage really was. Gonna be cutting it out so we didn't worry about blasting this middle. There's the light. Did have a little oopsie there. Luckily, I'm not planning on using the door. That is a pretty good sized window, so that part kind of sucks. But oh well. I got some other windows I can use in the door setup that I'll have back here. Otherwise, looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get the back one outside. Yeah, not too bad. Glad that it's all blasted at this point. Now I just gotta cut out the rot, replace some supports for the floor, and yeah, start getting paint down and insulation and flooring and really start getting into it. Sand all over. Well, here we are, and I'm not sure how much I got recorded before, but I got a bunch of cuts in here and got majority of this middle part pulled off over there. I do have a few more cuts to do here, get this completely separated, and I don't think I'm going to take the support that's here because the mud flaps are attached to it. Seems pretty solid still. This support over here I am going to take off, so I need to finish up the cut here and off to the side, and maybe make a cut in the support, get it easier taken out. We'll see when I get there. Yeah, get this all removed, and then I can focus on like small things, little patches here and there, and cutting out the pieces on the back panel. Now that the floor is done and the doors are off, let's head on back to the back side. So moving on to the back side, got square here cut out over here, over. I'm just gonna take out this whole bottom piece. There, a little bit there. And we're gonna hold off on that up there for now. I have thoughts bringing the door out about like this, and maybe doing a double door, make it a bit easier for shop access. And if I do that, we're gonna be extending the door up as well a bit, so that'll end up covering up most of that rust there.